Hello, today I'll be making Kesar Kulfi. The ingredients we'll be needing is 2 tablespoons sugar, cashew powder, pistachio and saffron, 500 grams of milk and a popsicle mold. Keep the milk at medium flame and keep stirring. You must scrape off the milk from the side since the fat sticks on that. Now we'll be adding 2 tablespoons sugar. Keep boiling the milk. Now we'll be adding cashew powder. At the end, your milk should be this thick and leave it aside for 15 minutes. Now we'll be separating the mixture to another bowl. And we'll be adding the flavor of saffron. In this mixture, we'll be adding pistachio. Now fill half of the popsicle mold with the saffron mixture. And fill the other half with the pistachio mixture. Now put this in the freezer for 2 hours. Now after 2 hours, the mixture will set, and on the white mixture, we'll be adding the saffron mixture, and on the saffron mixture we'll be adding the pistachio mixture. Now put the popsicle stick. Put this in the freezer for 4 hours. After 4 hours, this will be the result, and to remove the kulfi from the popsicle mold, we have to put the popsicle mold in a tub of hot water and the kulfi will come out easily.